y'all, welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to show you all some exercises you can do at your desk at work. Yes, it is possible to be active all day, so if you're interested in the exercises that I'm showing you that you can do at work, then continue watching this video. Thank you for continuing to watch. If you want to be active at work and you work in a call center environment like myself, I looked online and researched to see some exercises that I can do at work. First, before I jump in, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you will be notified of any time I post any videos pertaining to my weight loss journey or any tips that I can give you all about losing weight. So, as I told you all, I want to work on this neck. So what you can do is you can do these in reps of 10. You're going to turn your head back, bring it down to your chin. 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 You're going to do those in reps of 10, and this will help to lose that chin if you have that. The second exercise that you can do, you're going to cross your legs at your ankles and lift them up. And what that's doing, while you're doing it, you're going to have your abdomen tight. And what that's going to do is tone and strengthen those thighs, as well as help tone and strengthen, ooh, this is hurting, those ab muscles. You can do that as many reps as you would like, and it's already burning out. The next thing I'm going to show you all is if you have a throw, a blanket, or even a towel, you're going to fold the towel up, put it in between your knees, and you're just going to squeeze your hips. Also do this in reps of 10. And what this will do is, while you're doing this, have your abdomen tight. And this is hurting y'all. What this is going to do is strengthen and tone that abdomen, as well as tone those thighs. And when I tell y'all this is hurting, I did it yesterday for about 30 minutes. I was in a lot of pain. So I'm showing you all, for the purpose of this video, using a hand towel, but I have a throw at work. So again, you're gonna just squeeze. Not all the way, but just squeeze. In the description box, I'm going to put the names of all of these exercises. I couldn't remember the names of them while I was doing them, but those 3 exercises alone will help you, stay active while you're at work. So again, if you enjoyed these tips, give it a big thumbs up. Comment below and tell me some other exercises that you do while you're at work. I'm trying to find as many as I can do at work sitting down, and at times I might stand up and do a couple of exercises as well. So again, if you're on a weight loss journey and you want to join this weight loss journey with me, comment below. We can support each other and we can do this. So y'all, I do thank you all for watching. Thank you all for supporting, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.